In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to overlay two pictures in Microsoft Word. To start, open Microsoft Word and create a new blank document, or use an existing one where you want to add your images. It's easier to work with plenty of space, so if your page is full of text already, you might want to press Enter a few times to make some room before you begin. Next, we'll insert the first picture. Go to the Insert tab at the top of Word, then click on Picture. Choose whether your image is from your device, online, or another location, and then select the file you want. Once you insert it, the picture will appear on your page, usually locked in place with the text around it. To make it easier to move and layer this picture, click on the image to select it. You'll see a Picture Format tab appear. In that tab, look for the Wrap Text option. Change the text wrapping from inline with text to something like square, tight, or in front of text. Any of these options will let you freely move the image around the page, which is essential for overlaying. Now, repeat that process for the second picture. Go back to Insert, select Picture, and choose your second image. Once it's placed on the page, again, change its wrap text setting so it's not in line with text. Try using in front of text for the image you plan to have on top. This usually makes layering more predictable. With both images now movable, click and drag each one to adjust their position. You can resize them by clicking and dragging the corners, not the sides, to keep the proportions looking natural. Place the first picture where you'd like it to sit as the background or base image. Then drag the second picture over it to create the overlay effect. Take your time to line them up in a way that looks balanced and intentional. If one image is hiding the other too much, you can adjust which one is on top. With an image selected, go back to the Picture Format tab and look for the Bring Forward or Send Backward options. Use these commands until the images are layered exactly how you want. Once you're happy with the overlay, you can fine-tune spacing, size, and alignment. When everything looks good, save your document so you don't lose your work.